Hello everyone, my name is Nicolas Jean-Pierre Duplessis. I am an affiliate marketer and I am Delicious. Today I'm going to speak to you all about internet jet set and how that has changed my life. We live in the information age and the internet is where more and more people sell their products and services. The online marketplace is the fastest growing and biggest, most profitable industry within the formal world market economy today. Hosts of products provide an open opportunity for people who want to become involved in the online marketing activities as affiliate marketers. You now have the golden opportunity to become involved in online affiliate marketing activities without jumping into the deep end, without any knowledge and experience. I can recommend the following approach for beginners that want to become online entrepreneurs and start their own internet businesses. Mr. Johncrestaani, the founder and host of the Internet Jet Set Affiliate Network, has designed an interactive learning program within which he teaches you how to become a successful affiliate marketer. He provides a step-by-step system that shows you exactly how to create your own online affiliate marketer profiles in real time. You will be creating your own internet business and host websites. You will learn and apply tried and tested methods of online marketing that are rewarding. Once you have completed this course, you will be an equipped affiliate marketer and be in business earning passive income on a daily basis. Your life will change for the better. Take action and stay focused. Go for it. Take action and join the Jet Set Affiliate Marketing Network. See below.